Welcome to Your Outdoor Home by Brickworks. If you're about to embark on a design journey, then this is the place to be, a Brickworks design studio. And it doesn't matter where you are because there are design studios in every major city across Australia. And within these walls is a gold mine of products that will allow you to redesign and renovate your entire outdoor space. I've been working with the team from Brickworks from the start of this landscaping project all the way through to completion to select the best products that meet the client's brief and site constraints. The backyard we have renovated is situated on the southern side of the house, meaning not much sun in winter. So I wanted to select products that would give it a lift and make it feel lighter while evoking a sense of effortless sophistication and openness. The design intent was to create a sociable, functioning space so that they can enjoy more time outside. To achieve this, I chose a small format paver from Austral Bricks, a large format paver from UrbanStone, and for the outdoor kitchen, this stunning glazed brick from Austral Bricks. Let's start with a small format paver from Austral Bricks. Now we used a 230mm by 110 by 76mm. The brick is made from all Australian materials and has been produced for over 100 years, continuing to evolve with technologies and precision that ensure it is a quality, reliable product. The colour range of Austral Bricks is extensive, from earthy rich rusts and reds to blue and green hues. Not only do the colours vary, but so do the textures and finishes. We also used a large format paver for the majority of the area to simplify the look and make the space feel more expansive. The light colour makes the area brighter, and the warm tones and texture in the stone enable this south-facing garden to still feel warm, even when in shade. And if you want your space to feel visually clean and less cluttered, then a large format paver is a really good choice. The UrbanStone pavers are an engineered stone with a beautiful finish. It almost looks like a honed limestone. And we used a 600 by 400 by 40mm, but they also come in a 900 by 400, which is an amazing look also. Now, UrbanStone are made from 100% recyclable materials. Australians love an outdoor cooking area, and for this kitchen, I selected this glazed Austral brick. The colour is indulgent white and the range is called Burlesque, which has a warm luster finish, and it's a great way to bring a luxe feel to the outdoors. These not only look good, but are practical, especially for a barbecue space because any spills can easily be maintained and wiped down. There is such a wide variety of pavers and bricks varying in colour, size and textures, depending on your design needs. And you can choose from large format, small format, clay, engineered stone, natural stone or concrete. I find that nothing beats touching and comparing products when trying to make the most informed material selection for your design. So I'd suggest checking out a Brickworks design studio. The wonderful team there will be able to assist you in choosing the best products for your outdoor home. For more information or to find the location of your closest design studio showroom, visit brickworksbuildingproducts.com.au.